Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to the podcast. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found this space. Today, I want to get really vulnerable with you. I'm going to share why I created my self love course. And honestly, this isn't easy for me to talk about, but I think it's important because if you're listening to this, there's a good chance you're struggling with some of the same things I was. So grab you some tea, get comfortable, and let me tell you a story. There was a time in my life when I looked in the mirror and didn't recognize the person staring back at me. I'm talking about that deep, soul level disconnection where you recognize you've been living for everyone else except yourself. I remember in that specific moment 3 years ago, I was up in my bedroom, laying down, strolling through social media, pretending like everything was just fine. And then, just in that moment, I burst out in tears with the weight of depression hitting me like rocks of emotions all at once. Not that dramatic kind of working down, but the kind that was quiet. The kind where you recognize you've been running on empty for so long that you don't even remember what full feels like. Because I've been so numb for so long. And here's what I learned: self love isn't selfish, it's survival. And I know some of you are rolling your eyes right now. Self love, that's just Instagram quotes and bubble baths, right? Wrong. Self love is waking up and choosing yourself even when it's uncomfortable. It's setting boundaries with people you love. It's saying no when every parts of you wants to say yes, just to keep the peace. It's recognizing that your needs matters just as much as everyone else. When I first started my healing journey, I discovered there are 5 key areas of self-love. And when I tell you that understanding these 5 areas changed my entire life, I mean it. For number 1, self-awareness. Do you even know who you are anymore? Not who you were before the trauma, not who people expect you to be, but who you actually are right now in this moment. Number 2, self talk. The way you speak to yourself matters. If you talk to your best friend the way you talk to yourself, will they still be your friend? And 3, boundaries. This one is hard, especially if you're a people pleaser, especially if you grew up thinking your job was to only make everyone else comfortable, even if that meant your own demise. 4, self care. And no, I don't just mean face masks. I mean, are you eating? Are you sleeping? Are you moving your body? Are you doing the basics in creating a healthy life for yourself? But last and not least, 5, self compassion. Can you forgive yourself? Can you hold space for your own humanity? Can you be imperfect and still worthy? And why I created this course, you might ask? I created this course because I needed it. And when I couldn't find what I was looking for, I decided to build it myself. This isn't about toxic positivity. This isn't about pretending like everything is fine. This is all about doing the real, hard, messy work on learning to love yourself again. In this course, we'll walk you through each of the 5 areas with practical exercises, journal prompts, and real talk. No fluff, no BS. Just the tools I use to rebuild my relationship with myself that I want to share with you. Also, in this course, you might ask, who is this for? This course is for you if you feel like you've lost yourself, you're healing from narcissistic abuse, your struggles to set boundaries, you don't know how to prioritize yourself, you're tired of living for everyone else, you're ready to do the work. And I want to be clear, this isn't a magic pill, this is work, real work. But it's the kind of work that actually changes your life. Now, if what I'm saying resonates with you, I want you to do something right now. Go take my free self love assessment. It's a free love assessment app. It takes only 5 minutes. It will show you exactly where you're struggling and where to start. The link will be in the bio down below. And if you're ready to go even deeper and farther, the self love course is waiting for you. Use code ACCESS20 for 20% off of the course. But even if you're not ready for the course yet, take the assessment and get clear on where you are because you can't heal what you don't acknowledge. And all right, beautiful souls, that's it for today. Remember, you are worthy of love. You are worthy of your own love, and it's never too late to start choosing you. Now, I'll see you in the next episode. Until then, be gentle with yourself. Much love.